Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way, lesson 6b, practice for Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Remember, Tajweed is to recite the Quran nicely. How? By taking care of makharij and sifat and other rules of recitation. Let's take the verse, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. As you can see in the first line, we have given the letters Ra and Ha, indicating that you should take care of this makharij. And also in the second line, thick Ra. Ra should be thick as a rule. Before we continue, let's take Tajweed tip number 7. Open your mouth and recite loudly for practice. You can then, at least to some extent, see if you are reciting correctly. Okay, don't say Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Recite it loudly. Ar-Ra. Ra should be thick and it should not be like English Ra. Like Ar-Rahman. No. Ar-Rah. There should be frequency. Repeat after me. Ar-Ra. 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 Let's merge. Ar-Rah. 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 And Ma. We told you before also. No nasal sound. Ma. 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 Let's take the word. Ar-Rahmani. 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 And next word is Ar-Rahim. So here also Ra should be thick and Him. Make sure the Ha sound comes properly. So repeat after me 3 times. Him. 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 Ar-Rahim. 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 Let's take the verse. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. And the next verse is Maliki Yawmiddin. Maliki, make sure to stretch there. Yawm, here some people do mistake. They say Yawmiddin. No, recite it like south, mouth. Okay, you don't say south, mouth. No, south. Similarly here, Yawmi. Repeat after me 3 times. Yawmi. 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 Yawmiddin. And here is Tajweed tip number 8. Make sure not to miss the last sound when you stop. Okay. So Maliki Yawmiddin. Don't swallow the noon sound there. Maliki Yawmiddin. Noon should be clearly spelled. Anyway, repeat after me. Maliki Yawmiddin. Maliki Yawmiddin. Maliki Yawmiddin. Maliki Yawmiddin. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.